I found a violin company called Essentially Strings. Nice violins. Curious about the resale HDB prices at Waterloo Centre, so there's one thing strange about this HDB neighborhood. Do you guys know what it is? The answer is, I don't. These red color HDB blocks are very nice. So this block 264, I'm going to check out the lift. Let's go. If you are into martial arts, you can check out the Wushu Training Center right here. There's also a dance studio right in front. Old ball collectibles. I saw this company, the name is the Merryman. Early Christmas or some of the residents, the most wonderful time of the year. Today I'm at a very special place, the Waterloo or the Waterloo Centre. This is the HDB mall that most Singaporeans don't know about, so let's check it out. I just entered Waterloo Centre. There's a booty shop here, as well as opposite they have the two branches, and not only that, there's Zumba fitness for everyone, body, dancing. Then I see a big bicycle shop right here, the bike settlement, with the jersey and the bicycle pants here, and then have a lot of bikes at the corner, the bicycles. Some are here to also check out whether the road reviews are true. Nothing worth see here. And then the place is dirty, filthy, confusing street. Not much here. Old and dated, dirty. Look at this, a truly city corner of Singapore. Hey guys, look at this. There's a food junction called First Stop, and we have some promotion. We have $5. The Yangzhou 炒饭, Yangzhou fried rice, Hokkien mee, and the 意面. 煮炒 as well as the 菜粉 over there, vegetable mixed rice. So this is block 264. I'm going to check out the lift. Let's go. Well, the lift is a bit small. Level 5, there's a nice rooftop garden. I'll check out the shop well. At level 4, there's a shop or company called EMTV. That's nice. And Terra Cray. And there's a nice view of a church opposite. There's some nice plants here. Wow. If you are into martial arts, you can check out the Wushu Training Center right here. You can bring your kids here for some kind of art classes. There's also a dance studio right in front. And level 3 now, there's a dance studio called Groove. And another shop called Spark Space. I'm not sure they do it, their business. And then a Latin dance. That's nice, right? You can then dance here. I saw this company, the name is the Merryman. Do they specialize in some festive season stuff? Lok Yam, Compromat Creatives. Well, level 3, there's an Absolute Pebble Limited. This is the Merryman. There's a lot of dance school here, Assemble Studios, and look at that, there's a very nice pawn shop. Old ball collectibles, buyback cards up to 90%, and the annual show just next to it, 0205. I found a violin company called Essentially Strings. Nice violins. Picture World Photo Studio, and they even accept the CDC voucher. Oh, I see graduation goals right here. You can actually come here, take some photos. It's kind of amazing to see the different products, just different companies just listed. Side by side here, right here, even though they are unrelated. Oh, this is some kind of 古筝, right? Wow. Lots of TCM shop right here. 世纪红. Wow, look at that, the calligraphy. Singapore Century Calligraphy Agency. People are actually learning how to do the calligraphy properly, and there are photos of students and stuff. Alright, so Brad Box saying the Waterloo Centre will declare open. By then, the Minister of Health, Dr. Toh Chin Chai, the MP for Rochor constituency on the 22nd September 1979, so that means it's 46 years old this year. Anyone older than that can comment in the section below. And next we see a pretty fair studio. Do they make you fair or something? I think it's a facial company, facial spa or something. There's a massage chair, a toilet inside. Oh, they do some rooms there. And there's a vending machine right here, as well as a red color box company. I think it's safe, right? Security is safe. Wow, it's actually 2 knobs, you know. Wow. Inside, the boss said sell now on. So if the boss said can go home, then you close shop, right? Don't need to work. Look what I found, a rooftop garden with so many leaves. I mean the plants, right? And HDB there. It's a bit raining now, and there's exercise corner right there, the yellow one. Wow, this place is amazing. So I need to check out how much it costs actually when they buy this HDB or the current resale price. Curious about the resale HDB prices at Waterloo Centre. So these are the 3-room and 4-room prices. From 528,000 all the way to 660,000. They can even reach up to 1 million for just like 82 square meters. These red color HDB blocks are very nice. Remind me of the national color flags, the colors of our national flag, right? And look at that, what a view. Imagine standing here at night, 8 or 9 p.m, having a little drink, chit chat with your friends, and enjoying the night breeze. Can you guys see something special about there? That's right, there's a Marina Bay Sands, and there'll be fireworks around that area during special days in Singapore, like National Day Eve, National Day, New Year's Eve, as well as Chinese New Year's Eve days. Wow, and look at that, there's a beautiful church just opposite where I'm standing. There's some beautiful buildings as well, and a 5-star hotel. And that side is the Bugis area. I mean, we are still in Bugis, right? But that is the middle road area. You can see pedestrian waiting, or that is really crossing the road right now. What a nice view today. Oh, the yellow building, Waterloo Centre. Nice crowds. Luckily there's no rain. Early afternoon was having some little rain there. And go check out the access corner. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. Waterloo Centre can also be seen from here, as well as a building called YWF. Alright, I'm now at the exercise area. There's a monkey bar, chin-up bar, sit-up bar, and some such stuff in front, the stones. There's one thing strange about this HDB neighborhood. Do you guys know what it is? The answer is, I don't see any cats around here. 没有一只猫. Normally at the HDB flats, right? There are actually a lot of some cats, but I don't see any cats right here. Maybe because the cats hang out at the level 1. This is level 5, right? And then, yeah, that's my explanation. I just saw that you can see Pan Pacific 5-star hotel from here, and a partial view of the Singapore Flyer. What a nice view. Early Christmas of some of the residents, the most wonderful time of the year. Anyway, I feel my 5 senses are being reawakened. That's the word to it. It's like you feeling like I'm in a natural reserve right now, a resort with just the plants, the trees, and myself. But then, once I close my eye and open my eye 1 second later, I know I'm still in Singapore. The HDB area. It's a nice experience today, but the flats are really expensive, you know. Like if you're paying 700,000, 800,000, or even 1 million for a 3-room HDB flat, you can actually buy 2 HDB flats in other parts of the island. And what's more ever, I think the location is pretty good, but you still have to walk some distance to the Bugis MRT. But then some of the older HDB estates, like the Circuit Road area, Block 49 or 47, or Block 70, they have a direct access to the MRT just within 1 minute walking distance. But I'm not sure whether it'll be like noisy. I think here is not bad, but at night it can be quite scary because I'm not sure whether the street lamps are working. You know, the round color long pole. If not, then scary, right? You know, the Hungry Ghost Mine is just over. Oh, there's a scary crew there. It's just mentioned of the devil. Hello. Now it's flew away from the way. With his body, actually 3 of them are there, 4 of them. Some will land on the lonely pools. Now there's one little complaint, the lift is a bit slow right now. I'm going to level 1. And from here you can hear the noise level. So this is one thing of the HDB mall that's maybe not so optimal, not so good. It's south of Pasar Malam, right? On the market.